Earth is our planet. It's where we make our home. Here we were born, and here our children will grow. Over time, people have learned from people, evolving, progressing, and improving their living conditions. But we've been imprudent. In our haste, we haven't given nature time to recover. Warming temperatures, rising sea levels, shrinking snow cover and glaciers, all sound a clear alarm. The world's population is in perilous health. Environmental sustainability is on the agenda of the international political debate. The European Community has planned an energy policy aimed at containing consumption and promoting renewable resources. These regulations are focused on the construction industry, which accounts for 40% of total consumption. In complying with the European directive, Regione Lombardia has regulated the construction industry, setting minimum quality standards for both new buildings and those being renovated. Stimulated by the measures adopted regionally and nationwide, the real estate market has been increasingly guiding its choices towards constructing low-energy buildings. Only through a building's careful planning can high energy efficiency be achieved. First, it is important to carefully design the building's shape and orientation. The less heat is dissipated, the better the energy performance will be. It is important to position the building properly within its lot, to limit shadow and make the best use of sunlight. It's also important how we place the glass surfaces. It's best to limit those facing north and to privilege southern exposure, to allow sunlight to penetrate into the heated environment during the winter season. And in the summer, when the sun is high in the sky, windows have to be screened to prevent overheating the interior and requiring the use of air conditioning. It's essential to use efficient solutions. Good insulation for the walls, roof and basement. Plus, high-performance glass doors and windows limit heat dissipation in the winter and overheating during the summer. The better seal provided by the new doors and windows may lead to higher humidity inside, which must be countered by appropriate ventilation. Changing and purifying indoor air is in fact essential to health and well-being. Controlled mechanical ventilation is the best defense against humidity and pollutants. Good design makes it possible to reduce consumption and install a lower-powered heating system. The investment will be offset in a few years by the lower costs incurred in operating the building. Careful design allows energy expenses to be reduced and environmental comfort to be improved to the benefit of those living there. After the structure's architectural design comes that of its heating system. It's essential to use high-performance heat generation systems, such as condensing boilers, geothermal heat pumps that exploit the heat of the earth. To lower consumption and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, intelligently designing new buildings is not enough. Above all, we have to upgrade existing ones. For example, by replacing doors and windows and insulating walls and roofs. It's vitally important to use systems that exploit renewable resources. Solar thermal collectors transform the sun's energy directly into domestic hot water that can also be used to supplement the heating system. Photovoltaic systems transform the sun's power into electricity. Although more costly than solar collectors, photovoltaics enjoy nationwide incentives through the Conto Energia program. For clear knowledge of a building's energy quality, we need an appropriately trained and accredited certifying technician. By carefully analysing the building and processing the collected data, the certifier assesses energy performance, summarising it in the Energy Performance Certificate known in Italy as the ACE. The ACE is necessary for determining the building's energy class. The scale ranges from A+ to G. just like the grades assigned to household appliances. The ACE is an effective tool both when choosing a building and in determining the interventions to improve its energy efficiency. It also allows comparisons with similar buildings to be made and the differences in their power consumption to be assessed. Lombardy was one of the first regions to initiate its own building energy certification system. Called Cened, Lombardy's certification system is managed by Cened SPA, a company of Regione Lombardia and an accreditation body for building certification process. Cened SPA manages the Energy Register, which collects energy certifications and offers information to the public and to all professionals and interested parties. For information, please visit cened.it. The future is in our hands.